First, connect the machine to the source of power and get a tap and fill it to either medium or to the highest. Sort out the things to be washed, preferably white, colored, and dark colors. Add in your washing powder or any washing machine powder. After plugging it, you can either give it a full wash or half, or a gentle or standard wash. You can turn the knobs as preferred. Then mix in the washing powder, then add the clothes to it. Be sure to cover it. Whilst the other one is washing, you can continue with the sorting to make it faster to wash after the first one is done. To save water, take out the washed ones and put in the next batch of sorted clothes. Washing the dark ones, drain the water and rinse them, and you can dry them as so. Because there's sunlight in my environment, I use it halfway and then dry it halfway. I also find out that drying it for the 5 minutes makes the clothes too light, and a continuous usage of that might make the clothes too light. You'd have to change them. As you can see, they came out very light and almost dried. Just about 30 minutes drying it in the sun, and your clothes are ready to be worn. Then I drain out the water because I used it for dark color. Rinse it up and then fill it halfway, and I use it to rinse the things for the white and the mixed colors. Drying the second batch, after which I'll do the colored ones, and the washing will be done. Rinsing out the last one, then we dry it as usual. This washing machine is fast, it's convenient, it dries fast, and it washes well. Anyone can use it, and it's good for people who are looking forward to conserving water, because the water you wash with the first doesn't go down the drain. You get to use it over and over and over again. I think you should try it. Subscribe to our channel for more information like this. Thank you.